Hey, what's going on, guys? People
Hello,
might be...
YouTube.
Really?
Dexter from the...
Go!
Hello, YouTube. Welcome to Fusion Night Gaming, and it's another gaming day. Again. Okay, Dex. What are we gonna do today? Explain the rules.
So, we're playing this Pokemon fight again in the lodge. So, I'm going to say the rules. So, first of all, before we fight, we have 15 minutes to look for Pokemon, any Pokemon, and if we still have some minutes, we will level them up to what we want. And we can't pick on one of our Pokemons. We just need to catch them. So, yeah.
What? Come on, man. You know I'm not good at catching.
You're going to catch again, bruh. So, we can't pick in these Pokemon. So, we're going to maps and we're looking for Pokemons and we're going to catch them and use them in the fight.
Dude, I'm catching already and I got a shiny Arceus grass appeared.
We haven't started yet and that's useless. So that means what you caught now is useless. I didn't even say go. So are we going to start now?
Go.
Go to home right now. Go to home.
Come on, I'm just gonna catch this Mega Arceus thing.
But you're not going to use that, bro. I didn't say go yet.
Wait, I'm just catching this thing.
Fine. I'm going to post this video for a while because this guy is busy. Guys, he's done catching that Arceus. Got him. Okay. So we're going to catch Pokemon in 3, 2, 1. Go 15 minutes. Start.
Good Pokemon, please. One, I need your help. Answer. Oh yeah.
Every Pokemon that we caught now is what we're using every fight. So we're going to do this over and over. So
Next time, I wanna add one more rule.
What?
You can only catch non-legendary Pokemon.
Huh?
You're only gonna catch non-legendary Pokemon. And why did I do this? Nah, yeah, you cannot catch legendary Pokemon. One of the rules, bro. Right.
Okay.
Oh, he used Norm, then I flinched again, then he's asleep, and I'm gonna throw a Pokeball, because I have 41 Pokeballs. I'm gonna throw in one more Pokeball.
What the?
Change team, hurry up, change team. Remove, and look at your Kuladin. I only caught a Kuladin.
I don't know why I am very silent right now. Don't judge by the looks of it.
Hey, Dexter.
What?
Guess what? I'm in map 19. If I catch a freaking legendary, I'm pissed.
Very pissed.
You know why? Because remember when I said you can only catch non-legendary Pokemon?
It's your...
Yeah, I mean it. Oh, an Onix. Thanks.
Remember, I'm smarter than you. Well, I'm smarter at Pokemon than you. Remember that, bro.
I'm smarter than... Oh, dude. I put an Onix. Why am I such a jerk? Why?
You created that rule.
But it's okay. I don't want non-legendary Pokemon spoiling our fight. Oh man, it's a Gible. But I missed.
Just to warn you,
A bell dump.
Screw this, I'm turning on my lights.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch a bell dump. And it only has takedown. Screw it, no. And it didn't go in effect. This side. Oh my god! Why? Yay. Experience.
Screw this. I'm doing the old way.
Just now in no time.
I'm doing the old way.
Yeah, you can evolve. But no catching legendary Pokemon.
Already told you.
It's not worth it. Why? What?
But remember, I'm smarter than you.
Oh yeah, change my dude!
What?
I test.
Why?
You know why?
Why?
Arceus still appeared.
Good for you.
I'm not gonna use it.
If you're going to catch it,
I'm gonna catch
you're
it.
not
I'm
using
gonna
it.
catch But I'm not gonna use it. But I'm not gonna use it. You can catch legendary Pokemon, but you cannot use it in battle whenever battle starts. That's a rule. Wait, I catch a grass type Pokemon on then catch me a fire type Pokemon. Ah, nice. I don't need it. I have 39 Pokeballs and I only have short time catch.
Hey, this is racist. I just found a ghostly Volcanion. God damn it!
You can catch it, but you can't use
I'm not
it.
going to catch it because I already have a normal Volcanion.
Yeah, I have I think Shadow. Screw this, I found the Heatran.
Oh, to be honest with you,
What?
Heatran isn't a legendary Pokemon.
What?
To be honest, it's a rare Pokemon. But since you said no legendaries, that means no stars on their Pokemons. No Heatran.
Dude, I'm still gonna catch it, but I'm not gonna use it.
It's not even a legendary.
I don't care. Wait, you said it's not a legendary, so thank you.
But it has a star on it. So Pokemon The Lodge rules.
Okay,
King's in.
fine. Fine. Okay.
Sorry. I just had to say it.
My case died. That's good.
What? Arceus died, so that's good. Are you crazy,
No.
bro?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, we still have some minutes. You know what? I'm going to post this recording so it can pretty much take over the whole video. Sorry, guys. I'll just play it when I found something. So, guys, I'm back. Myself is copying me. So, there's Johan's request. So, shut up, me. But is myself copying me anyway?
Dexter, I sent you a challenge already.
Already accepted it.
Accepted it.
Already did.
Already did.
Oh! I forgot to remove the Pokemons. Sorry.
Oh, you cheater.
I forgot to remove it.
You cheater.
Okay, remove the fight. I forgot to remove my team. Sorry. Shut up, me.
Dexter, you cheater.
Dude, I already told you. I forgot to remove it. God damn.
Cheater. Cheeser.
Shut up. No, really, shut up.
Lemur.
What?
Lemur.
Not a lemur.
There you are.
No, you are
Bilisan
not.
mo.
Fine, I am. I'm recording.
Okay. I'm gonna battle you right now.
Okay, fight now.
I I wanna be the worst of all. The
What the?
worst of the worst. We're gonna end in this music.
I'm just looking for. Finally.
I'm in this music.
Okay.
Did you accept the challenge already?
Don't even ask. When your lowest, don't take that from your true self. Okay, Johan. Johan, faster! I'm waiting! Oh, go! Yep. I've been ready. Why is myself copying me anyways? I wish I caught more Pokemon. So guys, I've been defeated. I don't know why I made up this rule. Yay! I lost. God damn it. So anyways guys, so Johan beat me. So I hope you guys like my defeat, and if you do, better subscribe. Because I got defeated. What?
I think I have some more time left. Change your team back to your normal team, then we'll have a normal fight.
What?
Here's the rule.
You want to have a fight with me again?
The normal team, your normal team, the level 100s. But here's the rule.
What?
You can only use the Pokemon that we have the same.
What?
Yeah, like your, you know.
Oh, the Pokemons that we have the same.
Yeah.
Well, this got different. Going to change my Pokemon. See you guys later. So guys, so Johan decided we have another fight. Derp. Faster. Come on, Johan. I'm waiting. Faster. I'm waiting. Shut up. Why am I copying myself? No, really. Shut up. Fine. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. So alright, guys. So we have every single Pokemon that we have that are the same.
First, Mega Diancie.
What?
Yeah, first.
Volcanion muna. Volcanion.
Sige.
Epic Volcanion already.
Best Volcanion. Who's the best Volcanion? Good indeed. Pick him up already. Yep.
By me. Recall damage.
Dude, we won't use Steam option.
You know.
Yeah, I'm the best Volcanion.
So you're not a humanoid. Next.
Next is Diancie.
You know what, guys? I'm going to post this till it's the very end, or on the one-on-one. There's Giratina versus Giratina.
Best award for the best Giratina.
Okay. Lol.
This is not by, win. This is by award.
Anyways, guys, hope you like the video because of
Dude, how many awards did you get?
6. So anyways, see you guys later. Bye.